Today I'm going to walk you through how you can create the email or with email with the special feature which we can be used called smart module. So I'll show you how you can create the email and how can you use the smart module inside the email to make more personalize your email. So you have to come to the marketing section and the emails here. So before starting the email, so in the HubSpot there are two type of emails, and the process is same to create, but whenever you start creating, you have to select the option whether do you want to automate that email or want to send manually basis. So let's go with the create here. So you will find the two option here. Regular means send the email manually one by one, and automation you have to you want to call that email into the workflow automation into the HubSpot. So for that you have to do that. So you have to identify which of the section you are gonna you are gonna do with the email. I'll go with the regular for now. So, in the emails, HubSpot provides some default templates, which as per the theme of the email. So here are some of the themes you see. So if you want to create your emails as per any specific theme, so you can choose from here. There are many templates like this. And if you have the sort of basic email like only text or little bit image, so you can go with from scratch here. So both the options are available. So I have already created some of the emails from the scratch. Let me show you from here. So you will find this email. I'll clone that. Testing version. You have to give the name of the email, and this is I'm just testing, that's why I'm giving the random name. Otherwise you have to keep the email naming proper so that people can identify and everything. And this template would be like a drag and drop editor, and this is the smart content. Do you want to keep that? So it's a good to check that, and it's your choice, do you want to update or not. Let's create and clone that. So now the email looks like this. So this is pretty simple. How do you want to create that email? So you want to add the image on the top, so you can drag the image here and upload the image from here. And here is the text. You want to add the text here, you can add the text also. And any video, or maybe any you want to add the divider, sorry, the unsubscribe content, so you can add that. You can custom as well, you can make changes as per your need. So you can do anything with the email as per your design. And here is the one section also where you can modify your section. Just suppose you need a content or image in entire section, so you can select that. You need a section where you can add 50% content, 50% image, so you can that as well to drag and drop like this. And you need a anything related to this, so you can drag and drop everything. And one thing which I was telling you, the smart module. So it's smart module is you can pick from here smart root. So what is the objective of the smart module? So smart module is about making your email into different content for two different audience. So uh, the thing is, when you have a one email and you wanna split the difference of the content, so you can use the smart module where uh, the best thing is HubSpot providing is to create one email and with the two different type of content within the same email, so that automatically will split as per your smart rule. So if any of the section you want to create to make that as a smart rule, so just add a smart rule. Okay, and select your audience, either you want to pick it from the life cycle stage or the contact list. Add a rule. Find a list membership, which are the two or three audience do you want to, so that the smart rule content, I'll take that one. And that one, save it. Okay, so in this section I already created the smart rule here. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the default. So default would look like this. So default means that you have a two audience which you wanna show the different type of content, and out of two, which is the third audience, you don't want to show any of the email, you want to send them the general email, so that will be called as a default. So if you see, I have given the smart rule for the two list, leadership, CTO and CTO. So you see, they will see such kind of content, whoever is the audience from that list. And when the email goes to these audience, so the tags will be changed here automatically because of the smart tool. So this is the beauty of the HubSpot, to giving the feature smart rule within the same email, and as per your 2 3 target audience, how do you wanna approach or show the content. So once your email design is done here, like CTA, you can hyperlink anything, you can change anything like font and all, just similar like Google Doc. Put the hyperlink anywhere like this. Once the design is done, come to the inbox, give the subject line. So subject line can't be work like a smart rule. So subject line should be always same for whatever the smart rule or audience you're pulling into that same email. So that's why I keep the subject line general, so that which will match both the audiences. Subject line, preview tags, email like this. And there is a one feature, like you want to send the email from this, and when somebody wants to reply, do you want to, if you want to keep the same email, or want to change the email as well, so you can do that as well. I forgot to tell you one thing here. Here is the personalized token you can add in the email also. So just like the first name generally we can't identify to sending out the email. So HubSpot has a capability to create the personalized token here, so that automatically the first name will be picked and will go with the hello Manish, or hello whoever is your, whatever is your first name. So how you do that? Click hello, go to personalize, and what type of object do you want to personalize? First name, insert and comma. So automatically people will see the first name here. Yeah, so this is done, subject line, preview tags and all. And you have to, now you have to, this is the manual email, regular email, so you have to select your list, whichever you created and want to send the email like this. And any of the contact whom you want to exclude, so you can exclude from here, no, don't send. So automatically the these contacts will be excluded if they are part of send to list. You can schedule, so there are two ways to send email. Either you want to send right away, or you can schedule as per your timing and all, something like this set up. So, and you can also preview the email in the laptop, how it will look like in the laptop, how it would look like in the mobile view. Okay. And if you want to personalize, if you want to see the personalized token is working or not, so you can select any of the contact and see, yeah, Mayank. So it's picking the right thing. So that that means you're sure that this is working fine. And the next thing is here, the inbox preview, because there are many emailing tool, like this one is Google, this one is from Microsoft. So you can find how the email would look like in any of the emails. So this is the way you can do that. Like this, just remove that. I think it's showing some issue here, that's why it's not showing the proper preview here. But the thing is, you can see the sort of how the email would look like if if that goes to Outlook type of email or Gmail type of email. So you can see that, even you can see the browsing and more mobile app as well. So once this thing is done, you can go with the review, make sure everything should be updated, and preview, and the email should be proper. And you can test the email also. Before doing that, you can send out the email to yourself or maybe someone in your team to test out and do that. And once everything is done, do and scheduled, do you want to schedule or send it right away as per your need, so you can do that. So this is the way to creating the emails into the HubSpot. So if you have a sort of theme type of email, so it will take little time to make design proper. And if you have a general text email, so it it will be quick to create. But the thing is, you have to make sure everything, before going live. You have to see the preview properly in a both system, either in the laptop or the mobile view. And the second thing is, you have to test the email to yourself, how the content and the sections are looking into the email. So these are the two things you have to keep in mind before sending out the email in the market. Thank you.